Welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where we explore the most powerful, futuristic, and unbelievable machines shaping tomorrow. If you love next-generation engineering and heavy-duty innovation, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced rail maintenance machines of 2026, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad Excavator, a machine that is quietly revolutionizing how rail networks are built, repaired, and maintained around the world. The Liebherr RE 25M Litronic is not just an excavator adapted for rail work. It's a purpose-built railroad machine engineered with precision, strength, and intelligence. Designed specifically for working on active railway lines, this machine can operate directly on tracks without disrupting surrounding infrastructure. That alone makes it a game-changer for modern rail projects where time, safety, and accuracy matter more than ever. At the heart of the RE 25M Litronic is Liebherr's advanced Litronic control system. This smart system continuously monitors performance, hydraulics, fuel efficiency, and machine stability in real time. What this means in simple terms is smoother operation, faster response, and less operator fatigue during long work shifts. Even in complex rail environments, the machine remains incredibly stable and predictable. Powering this beast is a high-efficiency diesel engine designed to meet the latest 2026 emission standards. Despite its massive strength, the RE 25M Litronic is optimized for lower fuel consumption and reduced environmental impact. Liebherr has focused heavily on sustainability, making this excavator both powerful and responsible, which is essential as rail companies move toward greener operations. One of the standout features of this machine is its rail guidance system. The RE 25M can seamlessly transition between road travel and rail travel, allowing it to move quickly between job sites without needing extra transport equipment. On the tracks, the rail wheels lock in with extreme precision, providing exceptional balance even during heavy lifting operations. The lifting capacity of the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic is seriously impressive. Whether it's placing sleepers, handling rail sections, or managing heavy construction materials, this machine delivers controlled power with millimeter-level accuracy. That level of precision is critical when working on rail lines where even the smallest error can cause major delays or safety risks. Operator comfort has not been overlooked either. The cabin is spacious, quiet, and designed for maximum visibility in all directions. Large windows, ergonomic controls, and an intuitive joystick layout allow operators to work longer hours with less strain. Advanced displays provide real-time data, camera feeds, and diagnostic information, turning the cabin into a high-tech command center on rails. Safety is another area where the RE 25M Litronic truly shines. The machine includes multiple emergency systems, automatic load monitoring, and intelligent stability controls that adapt to changing conditions. Whether working on uneven terrain, tight rail corridors, or active rail yards, safety remains a top priority. What makes the 2026 model especially exciting is its adaptability. The RE 25M Litronic supports a wide range of attachments, from rail clamps and grapples to tamping and lifting tools. This versatility allows a single machine to handle multiple tasks, reducing downtime and increasing productivity on large rail projects. In a world where rail infrastructure is expanding rapidly, machines like the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic are becoming essential. Faster maintenance, safer operations, and smarter technology are no longer optional, they're required. This excavator represents the future of railway construction, where intelligence meets raw power. So whether you're a rail enthusiast, a heavy machinery fan, or someone fascinated by futuristic engineering, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad Excavator 2026 is a machine worth paying attention to. It's not flashy, but it's incredibly important, silently keeping the world's railways moving safely and efficiently. That's it for today's episode on Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this deep dive into next-gen rail technology, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow machine lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more insane vehicles, futuristic machines, and groundbreaking innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drive into the future.